Hey there creator, it's Rob here at vidIQ, and we wanted to take a moment to thank you for doing everything you do here on YouTube.
We see all the effort, research, and care you put into each and every video.
And we want you to know that it inspires us to keep doing what we're doing here at vidIQ.
There really is no us without you.
So today we're celebrating you and your biggest achievements in 2025.
Thank you for sharing these with us and the world.
We hope this video inspires everyone watching, from the biggest creators
To those who are just getting started.
Congratulations to you all.
And here's to 2026.
may be full of oh so many more moments just like this.
Hey guys, Silverlight here, and what I'm grateful for this year is just the opportunity to be able to create content and also the success of my channel so far.
What's up, vidIQ family? One of the things I'm thankful for is all the love and support I have gotten on the webcam, face reveal, and the name change.
2025 has been absolutely amazing for me here at SainsFab. I started this channel in January with 0 followers, and this month we just hit 1,000.
I would just like to say that I've reached over 600 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm truly grateful to each and every subscriber.
I am DT Smolder. I'm thankful to the 40 people who subscribed to me and the progress and improvement I've made along the way.
I'm grateful for this series. I have almost 200,000 views on YouTube. I'm very thankful for that.
2025 has been quite a ride. From starting my YouTube channel to overcoming fears, I'm
riding my 100th coaster.
Let's continue to make waves in 2026.
July 31st this year, I started my channel, and now I'm at over 100 subs and nearly at 100 uploads. Just awesome!
Hey vidIQ, one of my shorts this year hit 2 million views, which I'm really proud of.
This year, I help more people learn piano and worship music. Teaching online has been an amazing journey.
Hey everyone, I'm Oddly Evan. My videos have gotten so much better, and so have my intros, and I'm very proud of that.
This year took me 5 months to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you for your help, vidIQ. Thank you.
Hi, my name is LognaBlue, and if my voice sounds familiar to you, that's probably because you've seen this video floating around your recommended feed. Anyways, I wanted to wish you all a happy new year and a good 2026.
My name is Bacon Gaming, and this year I am proud of the world building I've been doing in my videos.
The vidIQ AI coach helped me to understand how valuable my videos are and how they contribute to a shift in consciousness of humanity.
This year, I'm thankful for being able to start my YouTube channel and learning so much about YouTube.
I am proud of the fact that my content keeps getting better, because I learn more every single time.
Hi vidIQ, we're Lala and Luno, and we love to sing! Thanks for supporting creators like us!
This year, I am so thankful that my audience has finally found me.
Happy New Year, vidIQ, and thank you very much for your tools and your help. At 40 years old, 0 experience, now 14,500 subs, and brand deals.
I'm thankful for everyone watching my videos and supporting me, and for the journey. It wouldn't be possible without you.
This is probably my best year on YouTube, all thanks to vidIQ, so thank you for what you guys do. Keep up the good work.
Honestly, it's been a wild ride. I'm now working on my second channel, and it's never something I thought was going to happen, but here we are. We can all achieve whatever we want to if we put our minds to it, and the future is looking so bright for all of us.
And there you have it, a bunch of awesome creators doing awesome things. Thank you so much for sharing your highlights with us and the world. From everybody here at vidIQ, we say congratulations, and may 2026 be packed full more of these.